Welcome to our channel. Let's begin the journey.
Alright, buckle up because today we are taking a high-speed, fully sensory dive straight into the absolute greatest, most menacing mystery of the cosmos. We're talking about a supermassive black hole. Forget the abstract math for a second. In this explainer, we're going to experience the ultimate extreme of physics firsthand. We're venturing right into a place of infinite density, where literally everything you know about reality just violently breaks down. So I want you to picture this. You are the main character in the ultimate cosmic survival test. What exactly happens to your body, your perception, and time itself if you plunge directly into the most destructive force in the entire universe? I mean, for decades, black holes were nothing more than squiggles of a pen on the back of an envelope. They were just this weird mathematical anomaly buried in the equations of general relativity. Even Albert Einstein himself refused to believe they could exist in nature. He thought, surely, the universe would protect us from such monstrosities. But they are very real, they're out there, and today, you are going to fall into one. Now, for this journey, we aren't picking just any black hole. We are choosing a supermassive black hole, an absolute behemoth that's millions, maybe even billions of times the mass of our sun. To put that completely wild scale into perspective, the event horizon alone could swallow our entire solar system out to the orbit of Pluto. So why choose this monster? Well, if you approach a smaller stellar mass black hole, the difference in gravity between your head and your toes is so extreme you'd be ripped to shreds millions of miles away. But a supermassive black hole, it's so unimaginably huge that the tidal forces at its edge are actually relatively weak. You can cross its boundary without even noticing. Well, at first anyway. Okay, here we go. Your very first obstacle is the accretion disk. As you approach, you're flying into a violent, neon-glowing cosmic tornado. The immense gravity of the black hole is constantly pulling in these massive clouds of gas, dust, and totally shredded stars, whipping them around at up to half the speed of light. It's effectively the largest particle accelerator in the universe. As all these raw elements race around, they violently smash into one another, generating colossal friction that heats the whole disk to millions of degrees. The sheer energy blasts out blinding, intense X-ray radiation. You are literally flying straight through a cosmic fireball. As you push through the insane heat of that disk, the visual tricks start kicking in. Look at the edge of the black hole right in front of you. Space here is warped like a bizarre funhouse mirror. The black hole's extreme gravity is severely bending the actual path of the light passing behind it. We call this phenomenon gravitational lensing. The very fabric of space is acting like a massive curved magnifying glass. A single distant star behind the black hole gets smeared, copied, and distorted into this glowing halo, or even a perfect ring around the absolute darkness. Basically, your eyes are lying to you because the space light travels through is curving right around an invisible mass.
Alright, let's just hit the brakes for a second. You've reached the photon sphere. This is a genuinely trippy threshold. Gravity here is so incredibly intense that the path of light itself is pulled into a perfect, infinite orbit. If you were to hover right here and look straight ahead, the light bouncing off your back would travel all the way around the black hole and hit your eyes from the front. You could literally see the back of your own head. It's wild. Here, light is forever trapped in an eternal, dizzying circle, creating a sphere of pure, trapped photons.
And now, things just slow down. Because of Einstein's general relativity, gravity warps time just as it warps space. So the deeper you plunge into this gravity well, the more extreme time dilation becomes. From your perspective, looking down at your watch, the seconds tick by totally normally. But relative to Earth, the timeline is unspooling wildly. If you spend just 1 minute hovering near this boundary, an entire year might pass back home. A few more minutes, entire human civilizations rise and fall. Wait an hour, and millions of years of Earth's distant future will have just vanished. Everyone you ever knew and all their descendants are gone in the literal blink of an eye. This severe distortion creates a completely terrifying split reality. Let's say your friends are safely watching you from a distant spaceship. To them, you never actually cross the edge. As you get closer, your image appears to slow down, literally freezing in time. The light reflecting off you gets stretched into longer and longer wavelengths, making you fade to a deep, ghostly red, and eventually into invisible infrared as you just hang there, forever. But for you, you look outward and watch the entire future history of the universe playing out in rapid, fast-forward right before your very eyes as you plunge into the dark. Take a deep breath. You are staring directly at the event horizon. This is it, the absolute boundary of no return.
It's completely featureless, just a distinct, terrifying edge to the darkness. This is the exact mathematical distance from the center where the escape velocity becomes greater than the speed of light. And since absolutely nothing in the universe is faster than light, nothing can ever check out of this cosmic roach motel. Once you cross this line, you belong to the black hole. Boom, you cross the threshold. Instantly, the laws of physics completely betray you. Inside a normal everyday sphere, space is a finite cage, but time goes on forever, right? Well, inside a black hole, the mathematics completely invert. Space and time literally switch roles. Space now stretches on forever, acting as a one-way tunnel forcing you downward. But your time? That's now entirely finite. It has a hard stop. It is rapidly running out. Plunging deeper, the descent squeeze begins. The very geometry of the universe is collapsing around you. Space is stretching endlessly in the direction you're falling, while brutally shrinking and squeezing from all other directions. You cannot turn around. In fact, the singularity at the center, it's no longer a physical place in space, it is an event in your inevitable future. Just as you cannot stop tomorrow from coming, you cannot stop moving toward the center. You're being pushed relentlessly toward tomorrow, and tomorrow is the singularity. And now you've reached the catastrophic breaking point, the zone of spaghettification. Yes, that's the real scientific term. Even in a supermassive black hole, as you get close enough to the absolute center, the tidal forces become absolute. The gravitational pull at your feet is now exponentially stronger than the pull at your head.
Astrophysicist Neil deGrasse Tyson paints a pretty visceral picture of this. He says, "You'll be extruded through the fabric of space and time like toothpaste through a tube." Your body is violently ripped apart, stretched as long and thin as a noodle in the most extreme, gruesome structural collapse imaginable. This absolute disintegration happens in a flash. Step 1. Your feet are pulled drastically faster than your head, instantly snapping your physical form. Step 2. The sheer force stretches your remnants into a literal stream of individual atoms, just a microscopic thread trailing downward into the dark. Step 3. Even those microscopic atoms can't survive. Your fundamental particles are mercilessly crushed, stripped of their molecular bonds, and sent hurtling inward at unimaginable speeds. Then, impact. The singularity. It's an infinitesimally small dot with infinite density and exactly zero volume. It is a total mathematical breakdown. Down here, everything we understand about space, time, quantum mechanics, and general relativity completely ceases to exist. You, along with all the swallowed stars, gas, and light ever captured by this massive black hole, are compacted into absolute nothingness. But is this really the end? Well, actually, maybe not. Some quantum physicists propose that this extreme big crunch inside a black hole might hit a physical limit and trigger what's known as a big bounce. Think of it kind of like a highly compressed rubber ball squeezed far too tightly. Eventually, it just can't compress any further, and it violently rebounds outward. So, instead of eternal destruction, the sheer concentrated energy of your particles might actually ignite and join the primordial soup of a brand new, expanding universe being born right at this very core. Which brings us to a massive, totally mind-bending conclusion. If a collapsing black hole creates a new, expanding universe on the inside without changing anything about how it looks on the outside, what if our universe was born exactly this way? I mean, our own Big Bang looks remarkably like the reverse of a black hole's collapse. So, the real question is, are we living inside a supermassive black hole right now, expanding into a void we can never even see? It's a thought that radically shifts our entire understanding of reality. So keep looking up and stay curious.
The view from here is breathtaking. Command, we are in position and ready for the next phase. If you liked the video, subscribe and comment the topic you want next. Thanks for watching, and stay unstoppable.